guys, I'm Sushmita from Miss Pink Shoes and welcome back to my channel and welcome to the 6th day in my Diwali series. So today I'm going to be talking about my hair oiling routine. Now I've been oiling my hair ever since I was a kid, but in between when I was in my teens I kind of stopped doing it because I found it very tacky. But I realized how important it is to oil your hair as I grew because my hair started getting damaged. So yeah, I've oiled my hair a lot and I do believe that it's extremely important. So I try oiling my hair twice a week, once a week for sure I do it, but I try oiling it twice a week and letting it sit overnight, and I have seen a huge difference in my hair. And the oil that I'm going to be showing you today is something that has helped in my hair growth a lot because my hair hardly grows. It barely grows an inch or two in like 3 to 4 months. So my hair growth is really slow, and this oil has definitely helped in accelerating the growth, and also my hair has gotten much stronger and shinier and frizz free. So basically I mix 4 different oils to make this custom made oil for myself. First of which is coconut oil, second is castor oil, third is almond oil, and the fourth one is hibiscus oil. So I'm gonna take 3 spoons of coconut oil, 3 spoons of almond oil, 1.5 spoons of castor oil, and 6 to 8 drops of hibiscus oil. So that's the basic ratio, guys. Now you can make this and store this for as long as you'd like, but make sure you check the expiry dates on every single oil separately, because even if one of the oils is expired you can't use the whole thing. So make sure that your oils are valid approximately to the similar dates. So now this oil works really well because all the 4 oil are targeted to different problems. Now hibiscus oil is amazing to accelerate the growth of your hair. That is the ingredient that has helped me the most. Castor oil again is really good for accelerating the growth of your hair. Almond oil helps in nourishing the hair and it also adds some shine, and coconut oil is really good for adding volume, thickness and shine to your hair. So this is what my mixture looks like. So what I like to do is take a cotton pad and dip it into my oil. So I use this to apply the oil to my scalp. So I've taken a section right here. So I'm just going to rub this mixture onto my scalp like so. So make sure whatever oil you're applying, it goes to your scalp really well, because you want your hair to grow faster, and that will happen only when you apply the oil to your scalp and not just your hair. Then I'm just taking another section, taking some more oil and again rubbing it onto my scalp. So you don't have to be really neat with your sections. You can take haphazard sections, but make sure you're covering your entire scalp. So once I'm done applying the oil to my entire scalp, I like to massage it. So this really helps in accelerating the growth of your hair. It also helps in increasing the blood circulation. So that will really help in fastening the growth of your hair. This also relaxes you, so it's an added benefit. So once you're done massaging, take the rest of the oil and apply it onto your hair. Now make sure you're not over oiling your hair, because every time you do that you shampoo extra, and shampoo strips your hair of the natural oil and you don't want that to happen. So make sure you're oiling your hair the amount that is required. So once I'm done oiling my hair, I'm just going to wrap a hot towel around it. So I'm filling in some hot water in my bucket, dipping in a towel, squeezing out the excess and tying it around my hair like so. So what this will do is that it will help in opening up all the pores, so the oil will really seep in and it will really help in relaxing your scalp. So I usually let this stay overnight. The towel can be removed once it's cold, and you can let the oil stay overnight and shampoo and condition it regularly the next morning. So that's it for this video, guys. I really hope you guys liked it, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, the link is down below, and I'll see you tomorrow. Mwah.